How to add stickers in Yoshion app. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add stickers by using the Yoshion app. So let's dive into the top. First things first, open up your Yoshion app. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface where you'll be seeing an option for the collage, poster, freestyle, and edit. So basically, this app is used to make a collage, but preferably you can also edit your photo by using this app right over here. So first of all, you have to be sure where you are going to add this sticker. Either you want to add this sticker to your collage or the poster, or you can just add a sticker to a photo. So for this video, we are going to add a sticker to a single photo. So let's tap on the edit, which is right over here. Tap on it and go inside it. And then you'll be provided with the gallery section where you'll be seeing all the photos that you have in your gallery. Now, from the gallery, simply tap on the photo where you want to add the sticker. Let's choose a photo from here, maybe this one, and it have opened the photo. Now you can see several options on your bottom of the phone. There's an option for the bezies, there's an option for the stickers, text, paint, erase, crop, and rotate. So that's all. So as we are going to add these stickers, let's just focus on this sticker, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. And on the sticker section, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Here's an option for the emojis, and there's other options like fruits, flowers, heart, rainbow, and many other options. Let's simply add one of it. So this is the photo, so let's add this sticker right over here. And also remember, you can add as much sticker as you want on your photo. So let's add this one for now. Let's add it right over here like this, or just make it a little bit bigger and add it like this. So it's a clicked photo. I think this is fine. And similarly like this, you can add other stickers as you prefer. So that was the process. Easy peasy, right? And once you are happy with what you made with adding the sticker to your photo, simply tap on save, which is right over here, and it will be saved to your phone. Wasn't the process easy? I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.